Christmas graphics
I
here
love
for you.
these.
You like this?
Yes.
Enjoy it. There we go. There's a snowman. So Portland today hit 60 degrees. That doesn't happen all that often. In fact, we went at least 4 years back there, 2016 through 2019, without hitting 60 in December. I mean, our average high is 46 this time of the year. So today was, well, 14 degrees above normal. Last year, you go, wait a minute, it wasn't as warm as last year. Well, last year was the all-time record in December. Now, with the warming climate, we do know winters are gradually getting warmer, although summers are warming much faster than winters here are, in our climate, at least, where we are. But, you know, you would expect we might see a little more of this in the future. But, yeah, 60 degrees. Tomorrow, and actually every day in the next 7 is still above normal. We've got some light showers out there at Newport. It's a southerly wind that really does it here. And when we get a southerly wind and we're on the south side of a warm front like last night, and early this morning, things can get pretty warm. 56 degrees in Salem right now. Salem had a record too, 62. All right, so bus stop forecast for the kids. Very mild again tomorrow morning. I mean, it won't be in the 50s. That's not going to happen again. But we'll be in the mid-40s. Dry, mild, and calm. And then in the afternoon, I'm saying likely dry because at 3 to 4 p.m., there could be a shower appearing at that time. For sure out at the coast it'll be showered. But I mean, here in the valleys, unlikely. I counted there's seven weather systems coming through the next 8 days. The first 2 are very weak. So clearly, we're in this mild pattern with no snow in the lowlands or even in the gorge over the next 7 days. I don't think you'll have fresh snow on the ground in the gorge for Christmas. It's going to remain warmer than normal. Heavy rain, though, well, at this point, I'd say unlikely through Christmas, but things could change. We could get one weather system that we only see it 3 or 4 days ahead of time that suddenly decides it's going to sit over us and we get some flooding. As of now, I don't see it, but we will watch closely. Look at all these weather systems lined up offshore. Here we are. One just went through last night. Another 1, 2, 3, 4. So jet stream pretty active out here, but these systems are kind of decaying and dying as they get closer to us. See, this one's kind of stretching and splitting a bit. But it will hold together enough to give us rain on the coast tomorrow, early afternoon. Here's the cloud and rain forecast. Notice first half of tomorrow, guaranteed dry. And then 2 p.m., looks like it's starting to shower along the coast. What's left of that system as it dies over us will give us some light showers, we think, during the evening commute. We knew that was a possibility. That's why we said mainly dry these 2 days. Friday, it looks like the next system is even weaker. I mean, this is just sometime in the afternoon Friday. Could there be a shower? Possibly. Then the real rain, I think, comes back on Saturday, and that opens up the door for some wetter systems once again. So your forecast for your Thursday, pretty good. Partly cloudy through midday, then it clouds up. At 4 p.m., the showers are getting pretty close by. We'll go for a high temperature of 52 degrees, and then we're back in the 40s tomorrow evening. And then beyond that, what do we see? Well, Friday, like I said, a lesser chance for showers, so an evening shower maybe. Maybe we just stay dry. For sure wet on Saturday and Sunday. Monday, it looks like would that be system number 4? There's so many, I forget which number. This might be number 4. Looks like maybe later in the day. We'll see how the timing goes with that one. Okay, so then we get to Christmas Eve. I think we have leftover showers that day. Could be pretty uneventful. And then a new system is arriving, if not earlier Christmas Day, maybe later in the day, Christmas Day. But look at these temps hanging above normal with no overnight freezing west of the Cascades, probably through Christmas Day. Nora?